When you have a large scene, having a robot-mounted camera can lead you a large range of mobility that can lead to a greater understanding of the scene you're working with. In this case, we have a depalletization project. With the robot-mounted camera, it gives us two great options. The first one being, as long as we keep removing boxes, we'll be able to move the camera closer and closer to the pallet, keeping our 3D camera within optimal working distance of the objects we're imaging. Another benefit to having an on-arm mounted camera is we're able to capture the same scene from multiple angles with just the single camera. In this case, we can take the camera to the upper left corner and discover what is hiding in the shadow on the corner of our palette. With Zivid 2, you're able to capture a variety of objects with just a single camera in one solution. If you want to learn more about how this is possible, visit us at zivid.com.